What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to Amazon affiliate yourself or affiliate yourself with Amazon. First thing you want to do is open Google up and just search up Amazon affiliate. Go to right here, affiliate-program.amazon.com. It'll also be down below in the description. So let's get right into it. Now if you're wondering how Amazon affiliation or association etc. works, you basically share a link to a buyer or someone that wants that product, then they will press that link and buy the product through that link. Now you can make like infinite money, like how much money you want to try. You know, if you want to try, you can make 5K. If you don't want to try, you can make $10. You know, you could really build this. Now a good way to just like start it off would be like telling someone, oh, how did you get this, you know, shaka right here? And let's say I got it on Amazon, or I didn't get it on Amazon, you could still find it on Amazon. You want to press sign in, sign in, and then you want to press create your Amazon account. Now, most people have an Amazon account already, but basically you're just using your Amazon account. So if you already have one, just log in with your Amazon account, like I am. So just put not now. You don't need a mobile number, so it's fine. Alright, so let's say you're at your dashboard here, yes? So I've had already 7 clicks here and 1 click here, but no sales. A good way to have sales would go on like Instagram and build a theme page and then have your product in your description. Or become viral on TikTok and have your product in your description. So we could go here and we could keyword, maybe we want to do some camera, yeah? Search up camera. And it'll show you a list of products right here. So let's say EOS Rebel T100. We want to get that link, boom, press get link. And basically it creates your own link for you. This link, well, if they buy the product through this link, you will get the money. And then you want to go to text only. Actually, I would say honestly text only is better, and then press short link right here. So you go here, text only, short link, and go here. You could do this like a little preview thing, but I honestly don't really think you don't need that, because you're only going to be using the link. Alright, let's say we have our profile here, yeah, and we want to do it on Instagram right here. So we have our product in our maybe story or in a post, or we can even advertise the affiliate association link with someone. You just put it there and we'll try to test it. So they press the link, this is the link, enter, they enter through the link, and boom, it shows the camera, they buy it here. Alright guys, so basically you might be wondering, oh, how much money do you make from this affiliate, you know, marketing? If I were to get a sale, what percentage would I get of that sale? So basically the conversion rate of Amazon is 30 to 35%, but also you might be getting 20% in conversion rate as an Amazon affiliate marketer. But I think there's different products and it's different for every product. So if I were to sell a, you know, $300 camera, boom, you'll be making $90 just for that one like link that you just shared. And it's honestly so easy. Just have this link in your bio, your descriptions. Even if you're a famous person, you will be making a lot of money with this link. So I hope this helped you guys out, how to make an account, how to have your link set up, and all that good stuff. You know, leave a like if you guys want to know how to make money on your own without having to have these affiliate links. Just press one of the videos here, and I'll see you guys later.